Hi, my peeps. Me again, just did my makeup. But my peeps, I want to show you something. Just did my makeup station. So I try out my new style. Next time I'll go live for you for sure. Mm. Love you too, Mr. Smith. Mhm. Guys, how you like my makeup? Okay, I want to show you something. Just did my makeup station. Mhm. Tell me how you like it, guys. And this one is very special. I'll show you in details next time. I'm gonna show you my favorite, my glitters. Mhm. Just extra makeups there. And this is my favorite part. My sponges, primers, blushes, eyeshadows, foundation, powders. So there you go, guys. End result. Mwah. Hi, Annette. Hello, champs. Mwah. Don't want to show too much of down there.